It's a very windy day here. How windy is it? Well, it's a bit of a calm at the moment. The wind's abated somewhat, but give you an idea, where's this tree? Get a good view from this tree here. It's dropped off a lot just at the moment, but maybe that windsock down there. Give you some idea, look at that. It's nearly straight out. Woo. It's AXN weather. Flying AXNs. These guys down here want to fly some jets, but I don't think so somehow. We'll have to stick to AXNs. Good fun weather. I think the wind must be about 60 kilometres an hour today. It's very, very windy, and it's also incredibly rough. Let's see if Brent can keep up. I'll put him on the camera and see if he can keep up with my AXN.
Because of the wind.
Very windy today.
It's not windy.
Not very good today.
When you're ready. Holy shit. I can't even. Well, try to do a landing.
It's actually a lot smoother now. It's almost calm. I have to actually wash off a bit of height.
It's almost limbo weather.
Roy Orbison flies again.
Pretty woman.
Is it bumpy today?
Perfect riding weather, look at it.
It's beautiful, mate. You've got a thermal. You might have hooked a thermal there. Oh, no, you got it backwards. Hey, do you want me to get a chair up so you got something to land on?
Where's that limbo when you want it? Was that hot glue that just fell off?
I don't know, mate. There's plenty where it came from, so I wouldn't worry.
We're actually getting anywhere or not?
I don't know, it's pretty windy, isn't it? It's blustery. Goes quick downwind.
Huh?
Goes quick downwind.
Does it?
You know, if that X-Jet guy posts another video with an AXN in it, I'm going to slip my wrists.
Are you going to unsubscribe?
I'll unsubscribe and slip my wrists.
That's a bit lumpy down there. Or is it just my shit flying?
I think it's just your underwear, mate. Yeah, this county, please. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, 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 oh. Oh, not over yet. What'd you call that?
That was an approach.
Hey, beauty, mate. Whoa, yeah, look at that. A greaser landing. Beautiful.
A bit of a failure.
What a lucky landing. Look at it, it's so turbulent up there. Look, he's hit lumps of air and it's put dings in the leading edge of his wing.
It's pretty rough.
Oh, looks like a camping stool actually. What's that?
Yeah.
Oh no, it wouldn't be.
No,
wouldn't be. No, it wouldn't be that. Couldn't be that.
Hang on.
What?
Oh no, it's got no bits of limbo string in
No
it.
limbo string on it. Beautiful day for flying. Beautiful day for flying. Look at this tree. See, it's just gentle breeze. Whoa, it's blew me over. Gentle breeze. I can't stand up. It's getting so windy. Woo. Lovely. Loving it. Windy weather at Tokoroa. Best time to fly.